Hey people, Jay here and welcome to my channel. Today's video is a collaboration and it is hosted by Melinda of Melinda Plain and Simple. And it is also with some other wonderful ladies here on YouTube. So be sure to check out Melinda's channel as well as the playlist. If you are here from one of the other channels, thank you for being here. I really appreciate it. So with this Pick Your Number Declutter Challenge, I have decluttered for the past month of January. This is week 4 of my journey. Since the first week, I have decluttered 210 items. Now with this video, I have added 126 items. I also have been a part of another collaboration where I have decluttered more items. That video will be linked in the description box below if you so desire to see it. So my grand total for this month of January is 344 items. I am so happy that I decided to be a part of this collaboration. Although this collaboration has stopped for the month of January, I would like to continue decluttering throughout the rest of the year. So look forward to more decluttering videos that will be coming up soon. I want to thank Melinda for this collaboration. Be sure to check out her channel as well as the playlist that will be listed in the description box below. Be sure, if you are looking for more decluttering motivation, to check out my channel as well as other videos that I will have linked down in the description box below. And I'll see you guys in the next one.